Have you ever spent hours looking for the perfect smoker, only to end up even more confused? Some smokers are incredibly easy to use, while others require constant attention and can be frustrating for beginners. The good news is you don't have to waste money guessing. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best smokers for beginners, comparing electric and charcoal options based on ease of use, cooking performance, build quality, and overall value. And make sure you stay until the end because our number 1 pick offers a beginner-friendly design that's surprisingly versatile for its price. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We post honest home and kitchen reviews every week. Let's get started with number 5. We have the Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical barbecue smoker. This smoker measures approximately 30 inches tall and features a durable steel body with a powder-coated exterior. Since it's an electric smoker, there's no cooking grate coating to worry about, and it uses a simple analog temperature control that's ideal for first-time users. It offers around 535 square inches of cooking space across multiple chrome-coated racks, making it suitable for ribs, chicken, fish, and vegetables. Because it's electric, it's designed for outdoor use with a standard household outlet rather than gas or charcoal fuel, and the removable drip tray and water pan make cleanup fairly simple, although the main cabinet isn't dishwasher safe. One thing beginners will appreciate is how easy it is to maintain a steady cooking temperature without constantly checking the fire. Another advantage is the spacious interior, which lets you cook several items at once for family gatherings. On the downside, the analog temperature dial isn't as precise as digital controllers, so experienced pitmasters may want more control. Overall, this smoker is best for beginners who want an affordable, easy-to-use electric smoker with minimal learning curve. But if you think electric convenience is the only way to start smoking, wait until you see what number 4 offers. At number 4 is the Eastoak 30-inch electric smoker. Standing about 30 inches tall, this smoker uses a powder-coated steel cabinet with chrome-plated cooking racks and includes an integrated meat probe for more accurate cooking. Like our previous pick, it's an electric smoker designed for outdoor use with a standard power outlet, and while the removable components are easy to clean, they're not intended for dishwasher cleaning. One of its biggest strengths is the built-in meat thermometer, which helps beginners avoid overcooking brisket, pork shoulder, or chicken. Another feature that stands out is the insulated cabinet, helping maintain consistent temperatures while using less energy. A small downside is that electric smokers generally don't produce as intense a smoky flavor as traditional charcoal models, so barbecue enthusiasts looking for stronger smoke profiles may notice the difference. This smoker is an excellent choice for beginners who want more cooking control without making the process complicated. But now we're moving into charcoal smokers, where you'll get richer smoke flavor and a more traditional barbecue experience. At number 3, we have the Royal Gourmet CC1830S Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker. This model measures about 45 inches wide and combines a charcoal grill with a side offset smoker made from heavy-duty steel finished in heat-resistant black paint. It uses porcelain-coated steel cooking grates for durability and easier cleaning. Since it's charcoal-powered, it's compatible with outdoor charcoal cooking only and isn't dishwasher safe. One advantage is its offset firebox, which creates authentic indirect smoking without exposing food directly to the flames. Another benefit is its large cooking area, making it a great option for backyard parties or weekend barbecue sessions. However, charcoal smokers require more attention to airflow and temperature management than electric models, so there's definitely a learning curve. Even so, for beginners who want to develop real smoking skills while staying within a reasonable budget, this is an excellent starting point. And don't leave yet, because our top 2 picks become even more beginner-friendly while offering features many people completely overlook. Coming in at number 2 is the Royal Gourmet CC1830W 30-inch charcoal grill with offset smoker. This model features a 30-inch cooking chamber built from heavy-duty steel with a heat-resistant finish and porcelain-coated steel cooking grates. Like the previous Royal Gourmet model, it's designed for charcoal cooking only and isn't dishwasher safe, but it offers a slightly more compact layout that's easier to manage for beginners with limited patio space. One thing you'll like is its adjustable charcoal pan, which makes controlling cooking temperatures much easier than many entry-level charcoal smokers. Another advantage is the built-in temperature gauge on the lid, allowing you to monitor heat without opening the chamber too often. The trade-off is that assembly takes a little time, and beginners should carefully follow the instructions before their first cook. If you want the traditional charcoal barbecue experience without jumping into an expensive premium smoker, this model offers excellent value. But before you decide, our number 1 pick combines simplicity, versatility, and surprisingly consistent cooking performance in a design that's ideal for first-time smokers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Real Cook Vertical 17-inch Steel Charcoal Smoker. Measuring approximately 17 inches in diameter, this vertical smoker is built from porcelain enameled steel for improved heat retention and corrosion resistance. It includes chrome-plated cooking racks, a built-in thermometer, adjustable air vents, and a multi-layer design that allows it to function as a smoker, grill, or even a fire pit. Since it's charcoal-fueled, it's intended for outdoor use only, and while the removable grates are easy to clean, the unit itself isn't dishwasher safe. One of its biggest advantages is the vertical design, which distributes heat evenly while using less charcoal than many larger horizontal smokers. Another feature beginners will appreciate is the modular construction, making it easy to add charcoal or water during long smoking sessions without completely disturbing the food. The only downside is its smaller cooking capacity compared to larger cabinet smokers, so it may not be the best option for cooking for a large crowd. However, for beginners learning the fundamentals of smoking while keeping costs reasonable, it's easily our top recommendation thanks to its versatility, fuel efficiency, and beginner-friendly design. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best smokers for beginners. If you'd like to check current prices or learn more about any of these smokers, you'll find all the affiliate links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Budget Home and Kitchen, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.